Welcome back to Little Bites Kitchen. Today, we're making a full day of healthy homemade meals for your 8-month-old baby, packed with nutrients to support their growth and development. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with other parents who love making baby food at home. Breakfast: Teff Banana Porridge. You'll need teff flour to 20 grams, banana 40 grams mashed, water or breast milk 70 milliliters. In a small pan, add the teff flour and water and cook on low heat while stirring continuously until it becomes smooth and creamy. Add the mashed banana and stir well. Let it cool before serving. Allow it to cool slightly before serving to your baby. Add the mashed banana and mix well. This soft, gentle porridge is rich in iron, potassium, carbohydrates, and B vitamins, giving your baby the energy and nutrients needed for growth and brain development. If your baby is just starting solids, make it a little thinner with extra milk for easier feeding. A light, gentle start to your baby's day. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more healthy baby meal ideas from Little Bites Kitchen. Lunch: Couscous Sweet Potato Mash. Ingredients: couscous 25 grams, sweet potato 40 grams. Cook both the couscous and the sweet potato until they are soft and tender. You can add a spoonful of warm water or breast milk to get a creamier texture. This colorful mash is packed with protein, iron, beta-carotene, and magnesium, all helping your baby develop strong muscles, healthy eyes, and a happy tummy. Serve it warm and fresh. Your little one will love the natural sweetness of the sweet potato. Dinner: avocado and pumpkin mash. You'll need avocado minus 30 grams, pumpkin 50 grams. Cook the pumpkin until soft and tender. Mash it, then mix in the creamy avocado until well combined. Add a bit of breast milk or formula for creaminess and extra nutrition. The result is a smooth, flavorful dinner full of natural goodness. This recipe is rich in vitamin A, vitamin E, potassium, and healthy fats, making it perfect for your baby's skin, immune system, and growth. Thank you so much for watching Little Bites Kitchen. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends and other moms. See you in the next video, where we'll make more healthy little bites full of love.